In this video, I will show you how to replace the screen of the Asus X302, but it could be easy if we only had to take this out and that, but this is blocked by the design of the computer. So first, I will have to just unscrew all the screw under the computer. Do not forget the screw under the RAM cover, so first I will have to take it off, just right here. With a little tool, I just got a plastic tool, I will unclip all the sides of the computer, just trying to find somewhere I can unclip easily. Be gentle and all will comes out correctly, without breaking anything. I will have to take out the keyboard, so here it is. I don't know if we can see them. We've got here two little pieces that you just have to unclip like a little Lego. Then I will have to unscrew the motherboard because the hangers are just under the motherboard. So first I will unplug the battery to be sure. This piece here, you just have to unclip it like this. Then this one, you have to unclip it too because it is over the battery. So now I will dismount the battery to have some place. Don't forget the screw here. I can take the battery. Then you have to unplug the rest, so here and here. Push it to the left for this one and to the right for this one. There is a little wire here. Same for the fan here. There it is. And this piece for the screen, you just have to pull it upwardly. It's a little bit hard, but that's fine. Then I will unscrew the motherboard. Yeah, here I forgot this wire. So up, you just have to unplug this like the keyboard. Yeah, I forgot this wire. Just take care when you take the motherboard out. Just don't block the wire. I just forgot this screw. Yep. So there is one screw here for one hanger. And the other one here. Then I take out the screen. Don't forget to unplug the wire. Up. All of this to have that. This cover, just have to unclip it to the right and it takes off. Do not forget to unscrew the screen. There is two little screw right here under these things that are glued in. And now you will have to unclip the frame of the screen, but take care because it can break, so don't be too rough with it. Maybe there will be two screws here, but I hadn't any one of them here. Then I will have to unscrew the LCD just here. Unplug this like that. So now I have my new screen and I will put it in the place of the older one, but because this tape is not sticky enough, I will just put a new one. Now I just have to screw the screen. Put this back in place. Then I put the hang cover back, put it on the right of the screen and push it to the left. And just be careful to not block the wire. So yeah, the computer turns on. So do not forget the little black screw for the bottom and all the other one for the up. Yeah, basically, I think there is some screw for the screen because I found this in the computer, but I didn't disassemble it before, so it is not me. I did not forget this one. So yeah, here it is. As I show you, the computer is back in life. I didn't show you the... And yeah, for the next, if you do this, check for the screw like this one and maybe another one just right under here, but because it wasn't the first time someone touched it, it couldn't be in place. But yeah, I don't know. So here it is. It's fine.